Hello guys, Let UI here. This is part of a crash course in Figma's auto layout. In this lesson, we are going to create a UI card. We will be learning things like how to create a banner, how to create a responsive image, how to add button actions, and finally, how to make it responsive. Are you ready? Let's get started. I have some objects that we'll be using to create the UI card. Go ahead and select the title and subtitle layers and apply auto layout using the keyboard shortcut Shift A, or right-clicking and navigating to add auto layout. Adjust the spacing between items using canvas controls or the spacing fields in the right sidebar. Set the spacing to 3 and rename the frame. Next, align the icon and select the frame together with the icon and apply another auto layout. Rename this auto layout frame as well. Finally, for the banner section of the card, select the avatar image, align it, select the title icon, frame, and apply auto layouts. Let's go ahead and create a container for our image. With the rectangle tool selected, draw a shape. Don't worry about the size because you'll be making it responsive. Using the Unsplash plugin, fill the shape with an image of your choice. Select the paragraph layer, align it below the image and apply auto layout. From the auto layouts properties panel, set spacing between items to 0 and also set horizontal and vertical padding to 0. Now let's add auto layouts to the icons, but before that, I will add some numbers to the icons. Select the text tool and input any number. Place the number beside the icon and reduce the font size to 13. Select the heart icon and the number and apply auto layout. Also make sure the alignment is set to left alignment. Duplicate the frame and copy the message icon and paste it inside the frame. In that same frame, select the heart icon and delete it, so you'll be left with the message icon. Go ahead and change the number. It's now time to select both frames and use auto layouts. Select all the frames, including the image, and apply auto layout. Rename the frame to card. Select the card frame and apply a fill color of white. When we resize the card, we realize it's not resizing. Let's fix this. Select the banner frame and set horizontal resizing to fill container. This will cause the banner frame to resize, but the content will remain fixed. Select the title icon frame and set horizontal resizing to fill container. Now we want to push the menu icon to the far right of the frame. To do this, select the title frame and set horizontal resizing to fill container. This will push the icon to the far right and still maintain the padding size. Let's move on to the image. Select the image and set horizontal resizing of the width to fill container, and set the height to also fill container. Now when we resize the card, we can see that everything is obeying the rules of the container except the paragraph and icons. Select the card frame and at the auto layouts properties panel, set space between items to 0. We are doing this so that we can set the spacing using padding from individual frames. Now select the paragraph frame and set horizontal resizing to fill container. Next, select the social frame and set horizontal resizing to fill container as well. We want to push the icons to the far right of the card. So while the frame is still selected, go to your alignment properties and select right alignment. Select the text inside the paragraph frame and set horizontal resizing to fill container. Now we are going to use the Lorem Ipsum plugin to generate some paragraphs. Good. Now everything is responsive. The final step is to add some padding properties to the frames. Select the banner frame and set spacing between items to 20. horizontal padding to 14, and vertical padding to 12. Next, select the paragraph frame and set horizontal padding to 14 and vertical padding to 12. Finally, select the social frame and set spacing between items to 23, horizontal padding to 20, and vertical padding to 12. And you know what? You can give the card frame a corner radius of 10. Alright guys, we have designed a responsive card using autolayout. In our next course, we will look at how to create a responsive nav bar using autolayout. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay up to date on all our future contents. See you in the next one. Bye.